Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Here I am Naveen again with my sharing my experience regarding 41st module here at Brototype. So I will tell you everything about what I had to learn, how I learned the things, what was the other experiences that I had throughout the broadcast this week. So currently I am at 41st module where I learn fundamentals of MLOps practices. Yeah, because when we are building ML applications where we need to train a machine learning model and we solve the customer's problems using the power of machine learning, using the technology of machine learning models. In such cases, we will have to follow certain things to ensure that the product solves the problems efficiently and effectively. So there are some practices that we need to follow when we are pushing the model that we built in our laptop to production. So that's what we learn in MLOps. It's all about deployment and how to monitor the machine learning model after deployment and how to record experiments using MLflow, how to version the data sets, the hyperparameter values, and many other things like that. So I hope you got an understanding of it. Now, the most important question is, what was my entire experience through this week? I would say that I really had a great experience in improving my communication skills through the communication sessions that are daily provided by Prototype on a daily basis. Yeah. So what I found is that the communication sessions are helping me to identify my flaws and to work on those certain things. That's what I really cared about because I never thought about these things in such a way, and it really helped me to look at these things in a way which I never expected. I will explain it to you. Most of the times, I thought that I'm a great communicator. I can communicate, I can convey any point to another person in English without making him bored. That's what I thought. But once I got into this communication session, once I heard how others are talking, I realized that I'm nothing. I'm nothing. I realized that I have a lot to work on, a lot to improve. This was one of the realization that hit me, and it helped me and it pushed me to do further, to do much more things, to become a better person, better communicator, a person who is capable of doing more, achieving more. So I think that's one of the great things of being around great people because you get to know about what's possible. You get to see that, oh, there are a lot more things which are more possible, which are yet possible, and you will work on those things. And that's something I really liked. Yeah, that's how the things are. So, if you have any doubts regarding envelopes, you can directly shoot it in the comments so that I can help you resolve it. That's the main thing about these envelopes practices and all. So here, other than that, when it comes to the practical side, I had to cover how to implement a CI/CD pipelines using GitHub Action or GitLab CI or Jenkins, but I chose GitHub Action because that's the most trending one in the modern day because it's much easier to use and also now you may think why didn't I choose GitLab? I chose GitHub because most of I push all my repository cards uh, to the GitHub because that's the most favorable one. But GitLab also has its own advantages, like when it comes to proprietary hosting of the card and many other things, proprietary CI/CD pipelines. In such cases, GitLab CI/CD pipelines is gonna be so great. Yeah, that's how the things are. And I hope you got a better value, got some great value from this video. And if you want some certain changes to be made or to be brought into the way I make videos, then please comment it down. I will really understand your requirement and make changes corresponding to it. Yeah. So see you guys in the next week.